Hi, friends! Miss Ellen here with Lighthearted Learning. We're going to talk about an American symbol today. I've already talked about a couple in previous videos, so if you like this one, you may want to check out the American flag, the White House, and the Statue of Liberty. But today, we're going to talk about a different American symbol. We're going to talk about the Liberty Bell. There we go, the Liberty Bell. Now, liberty is a three-syllable word that means freedom. Liberty, the state of being free. And in the United States of America, we have freedoms that we cherish, such as being able to vote when you're 18 and getting the job of your choice. We also have other freedoms. So that is something that we as Americans cherish. So if you're an American citizen, you would recognize that liberty is something that is cherished, which means freedoms. Now, the one that we're going to talk about today is that Liberty Bell that's right here. Okay, that's the special symbol we're going to talk about today. So let's read the book on the Liberty Bell. This is a factual book. That means that these are true things that really took place in our history, that really happened. And this is the table of contents. Tells what this book contains. Tells what is in the book and what page we will find it on. Okay? So here we go. The Liberty Bell. There's a good picture of the Liberty Bell. The Liberty Bell is an American symbol. It is a symbol of freedom in America. The Liberty Bell was made in 1752. It was made to celebrate the Constitution of Pennsylvania. That's one of our states, boys and girls. And in 1752, our country wasn't even declared its own country at that point. The Liberty Bell was rung many times. In 1776, it was rung to celebrate the Declaration of Independence. That is when the United States of America declared its independence from Great Britain. The last time the Liberty Bell was rung was in 1846. It was rung for George Washington's birthday. Now you might recognize George Washington as our first president of the United States of America. The Liberty Bell has a big crack in it. It does not ring anymore. See that, boys and girls? Big crack in it. The Liberty Bell has been taken around the country. Many people have seen it. I have not. An American spaceship was named after the Liberty Bell. Oh, that's an interesting fact, boys and girls. A picture of the Liberty Bell is on a coin. It's on the $50 or the 50-cent piece. That's the Liberty Bell. See it right there? Oh, that's another interesting fact. Many people visit the Liberty Bell each year. It is an important American symbol. There you go, boys and girls. I hope you learned some interesting facts about the Liberty Bell, an important American symbol of freedom.